Put a little oil in your frying pan, just like this. See how much oil it is? So we're going to make some fried Jamaican cabbage. So we're going to drop in our onions, just like this. Drop in our onions. And let them get a little brown. Go ahead and drop in 2 cloves of garlic. Like that. We're going to go ahead and drop in some carrots. Like that. And go ahead and give them a stir. Ooh, it's smelling so good, you guys. Now this is called Jamaican fried cabbage. It's not regular boiled cabbage. It's supposed to have a little crunch on it, but it's so delicious, you guys. Look at them onions are turning brown. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop in our cabbage. We thinly sliced our cabbage. Drop all our cabbage in. I'll go ahead and give it a stir up. You're just gonna let it fry until it gets a little soft. And you don't want it to be this hard. So just let it fry. Now we're going to go ahead and give it some salt. Now you can put some cayenne pepper if you like. Some people like it spicy. Looking beautiful, you guys. You want to make sure your carrots is a little soft. You don't want them to be too hard. You got something to get a little softened. See that? You got them stir-fried onions and delicious onions. This is called Jamaican fried cabbage, you guys. Look how beautiful all them colors come together.